Caps, this is MIKEY Productions, and I just got home from work today, and great day today as usual, and like yesterday and today I videoed for a little bit, and just tired right now because I'm always out of breath, as you can tell, but because I did a lot of work today, and I had college today, but technically I didn't really do much work today, but you know, it's just one of those days we have. But today I wanted to show you guys what happened with the Career Center Cafe because it's still getting rebuilt and all. Yesterday I got an update on it, and I'm going to show you the clip in a minute, but I think some stuff has got delivered, like the cabinets and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's roll it. Hello, Caps. Well, back again with yet again. This is part 5 of the Career Center Cafe construction update, and you can tell that somewhere surrounded in this room is actually some cabinets. So I'm going to show it to you right now. All right, starting from over here, we got some new cabinets getting in right here, and look at that. That looks dynamite, and I think it smells really good too. But I can't really smell with the mask on. But look at that right here. We got a countertop right here, and we got the counter being put over here. This is the fresh food area right here, and that's where the oven's going to be going right here. That's where it usually goes. And we got more over here that's going to be installed, and that right over here is the coffee area that they're putting in right now. And there's the blueprint they're looking at right here, and a lot of stuff's right here, all the equipment. And this right here, it's actually parts of the cabinet they built right here. See that? And we got a little, what's that supposed to? Oh wait, that's the countertop right here. That's the register that's gonna go right here, and the ceiling still has to be put up at this point, but they're still waiting on the parts to be delivered. And you can see up here they put some of it up already over here. That's the fire alarm up here. See that? And the exit sign and the clock's now back up. Right now it's the February 9th, 2022, and it's 1:26 right now. It's almost time for me to go home. Yeah. So Mr. Dirk, can I ask you something real quick?
Yes, sir.
When do you have an opening date for when the Wawa will be open?
First week of March.
All right, I can't wait.
All right.
Yep, and one more thing I want to show you guys is that they cut this hole right there where why'd you do that?
For the exhaust.
Okay.
For the hood for the oven.
Oh yeah. Okay. Well, when does this part ceiling go up?
2 weeks.
All right, I'm looking forward to it. Yep. So there you have it. This is the update right here. Nice. All right, Caps, now I got the update all over with the cafe, and now they're playing cornhole out here. Look, it's loud out here, so I want to show it to you. And they're playing cornhole. It's not springtime quite yet, but it's just it's a little warm out here.
And it's our favorite game of every day.
Yep.
Right now we have our king and queens, Mr. Shinko and Mr. Shade. They are the best in cornhole, and we were out there. They were totally destroying our butts.
Yeah, Mr. Rich and Misty Shades are good at this cornhole.
Yeah, they're probably good at it.
Yeah, but let's see how they do.
Come on, Joey, back a donut. All right, Joe. That was way off. Just need a trip, Joey. I know.
Oh, so we're back in back to
Come on, Luke, you Luke.
We only need 3 points. Just in
There it is.
Come on, Luke, you can do it.
bullseye trap.
There it is.
Ah! That's just what
It's in.
it's a leader.
Nothing. It's a leader.
No, it's
It's a leader.
leader.
Yeah, it's a leader.
Win. Not one time. I'm going to take it in. Come on, Win. Come on. Throw it in. There it is. Come on, I just need like 3 points in. Thank you, Connor. Thank you.
1 point.
Wait,
We need 1 point.
I know.
2019. This is gonna be a close game for both.
Cody, we win this, you're the dream team.
Oh!
Oh, over.
Yep, it went down. Second! Second! Good! It's a leader! It's a leader! Hold it! Replay check! Replay check! Nothing! Yeah! Nothing! Yeah! Damn it! You're that close! Yeah, baby! Here you guys go. Let's go! What? We're still first, Joey. Alright. Joey, that's not gonna make it in! Come on. Power up, baby.
On point.
2020.
Are you kidding me? You're just tied. You're gonna end it last year.
1 point for each of us. 1.
This is the group your first.
Take counter. Oh, I got 1 point.
Take me home, baby.
No, it's not.
Or tie. We're nice situation, Connor.
Yours. Come on, Connor, put it in. Plug it. You gotta break the curve. Come on, Connor, come on. Curve it in. Curve. There it is. In. Oh. Come on, Cody. All right. That's a big interference right there. That's gonna be a double shot on Connor. Oh. Doesn't matter what happens. Doesn't matter. Good.
This is your announcer, Devin, as we say in cornhole. Cornhole to you, Mr. Joey Ward and Cody.
Oh yeah, yeah. All right. Congratulations, guys. All right, Devin has to leave. See you, Devin.
See you guys.
Mr. Steve's gonna drop off Devin to BBR now.
Oh! Nothing. Bobby got it!
There he goes.
1-0. Let this game begin! Oh, Mr. Shake, oh my gosh! Cody won 3 games in a row the dumbest way. 2 were shutouts. Yeah. I can't! Oh!
That was the win.
Oh! That would be me.
Yay! We got a point finally.
Yeah!
Mr. Rich is great at cornhole right here, guys.
Thank you, Mikey.
No problem. All right, Mr. Rich and Luke are on the team. And they're versing the winners right here who just won, which was John S. and Bobby.
If Shingo wins, I want to challenge him.
And Mr. Rich is good at cornhole. And we just cleaned up out here, and the cornhole's done now. And now we're just getting ready to go home soon. My bus is here already, you can tell, and that was a great game. Yeah, that was a great game. Yeah.
Great game, guys.
Yeah, that's right.
Intense battle. Let's just continue that.
Yeah,
Luke's the man.
that's right. How? I bet you had a great time in Disney World, Luke.
Yes, I did.
Which rides did you go on?
I went on 7 Toys Mine Train,
That's awesome.
Big Thunder Mountain, Rock and Roll Coaster,
Nice.
and there's more to it.
I hear that you got footage of the Mickey's Runaway Railway. Yeah, so I'm
Yes.
gonna put that on YouTube soon
That's
for as a
awesome.
POV, which I
That's
think is
awesome.
great.
And there's more. Small World, Peter Pan, Haunted Mansion, Pirates of the Caribbean, Buzz, to Infinity and Beyond. My dad took that win, got the Classic Hero.
Nice.
When the ride shut off,
Yeah.
15 minutes, he got it. And we did Monsters Inc.
Laugh floor, I know that.
Platform to crack your laughs.
Yeah.
Space Mountain,
You did a lot of stuff, I could tell.
and Tomorrowland Speedway.
Nice.
Yep,
You did a lot of things I could tell.
yep,
I'm glad you had a good time.
yep. Is that all it was? That's it? back seat. We'll have Donald. Really can turn back. Right here. 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Throw it at the thing. No, you put it out. Put out the fire. Reload it. They have your chance.
And Luke is leaving now. He drove here actually. He drives to work every day. So yep, here you go. See you tomorrow, Luke. So I hope you guys enjoyed the whole vlog. Like, we played cornhole for a little bit, and one of my friends, I just like interacting with my friends while I'm there. So I mean, the career center is like the best thing that I ever had happen to me. So and when I graduate this year, don't forget I'm not going to be able to be there much longer, and then I'll be moving on to the ACT program, which is parts of the Growing College, which I went to today. And I'll be there next year. So, and I might be going to half days for work if depends if I get a job or not. But I'm sure. Well, I'm pretty sure I'll see if I can have a job this summer. We'll see what happens. But we'll have to find out. So, anyways, that's about it. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like, subscribe to MIKEY Productions if you want to see some information. If you like what I do, found me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and you can find me on Snapchat and I'm MIKEY Cap. All right, guys, MIKEY Productions signing out. So, thanks for watching. Peace.